So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Alliance selection. Here's what we're gonna do. We got the top 8 seeded alliances. They're up on the board. We're gonna bring them out one by one and we're gonna line them up here. The way Alliance selection works, the number 1 seed will select first all the way down through number 8 seed. The number 1 seed selects somebody, and then that team, who they select, or the 2 seed or 3 seed or whatever, that team can decide to either accept and go with that seed, or decline. Now, important to note, if you decline your ability to be picked, okay? What that means is if you're not in the top 8, if you decline your ability to be picked, then you decline to play in the eliminations. Keep that in mind. Now, if the number 1 seed picks within the top 8, it's important to know that if the team accepts, the number 9 seed will move up into number 8, and so on and so forth. Okay, so everywhere from 1 to 12 has the opportunity, or at least the chance, to be in the top 8 by the end of the Alliance selection. So, we're gonna start off, we're just gonna bring out our number 1 seed and go right into it. Our number 1 seed, team number 1923. All right, who would you like?
Team 1923 would elect and invite Team 195.
195 is the number 3 seed.
Team 195 graciously accepts.
All right, next up, the number 2 seed. Team number 177.
Bobcat Robotics from South Windsor, Connecticut, UTC Power.
Team 177 would like to invite Team 177.
They don't even notice we're standing right next to them. Guys, now if you respect
75 happily accepts.
Team 175, Buzz Robotics from Enfield, Connecticut.
If you guys could spread out a little bit. Spread out, please. Buzz, and you guys move forward, if you could. Forward, forward, forward. There we go. Our next on the list is team number 69. 69, come on out.
It's Hyper from Quincy, Massachusetts, and Quincy Public Schools.
Say Quincy, honey. Yeah. Not Quincy.
Who'd you like?
I told you team number 69 would like to invite team number 230.
230.
Team 230 graciously accepts.
All right.
From Shelton, Connecticut.
Our number 4 seed is team number 716. Come on out of here.
It's the Hoositex with the Incredible Frog from Falls Village, Connecticut, and Housatonic Valley Regional High School.
Team 716 would like to ask Team 181.
181.
Team 181 from Hartford Public High School, the Birds of Prey.
Team 181 graciously accepts.
All right. We got our first 4. Next up on the list is team 1124.
Team 1124, it's the Robots from Avon, Connecticut.
And who would you like?
Team 1124 would like to invite Team 176 to their alliance.
Aces High.
Aces High from Windsor Locks, Suffield, Connecticut.
If I could have the front rows spread out, please.
Team 176 graciously accepts.
Very good. All right, next on the list, team number 1071.
It's Team 1071, Team Max from Wolcott, Connecticut.
Team 1071 would like to invite 558.
558.
558, the Robo Squad from New Haven, Connecticut.
558 graciously accepts.
Next on the list, we got team number 383.
Team 383, the Brazilian Machine from Porto Alegre, Brazil.
Right over here.
Team 383 would like to invite Team 694.
694.
And Stieples from Bedford Stuyvesant High School. Sorry.
Team 694 graciously accepts.
All right.
Stuyvesant High School, New York.
And our final team, team number 2067.
It's Team 2067, that's Apple Pie from Guilford, Connecticut.
I hope you were prepared.
They're always prepared.
Team 2067 would like to invite Team 2168.
2168.
It's Team 2168, the Aluminum Falcons from
Team 2168 graciously accepts.
All right, so we've been through one time. We went 1 to 8. Because this is a serpentine draft, we're now going to go from 8 back over to 1. So you get a second pick. Go ahead.
We'd like to invite Team 126.
Strangely compelling.
Team 126, Gale Force from Clinton, Massachusetts.
It had to be the hair.
Team 126 graciously accepts.
All right. We go back to the team led by 383.
We'd like to invite Team 20.
20, the Rocketeers from Clifton Park, New York.
Team 20 graciously accepts.
All right.
Team 1071 and Team 558 would like to invite Team 237.
237.
Team 237, Black Magic from Watertown, Connecticut.
Team 237 graciously accepts.
All right. Back down to the number 5 seed.
Teams 1124 and 716 would like to invite Team 714.
It's Team 714, Panthera from Newark, New Jersey.
Team 714 graciously accept.
All right. We're down to the number 4 seed.
Team 716 and 181 would like to ask Team 3125.
3125. Come on down.
3125, the Pirates of the Pythagorean from Hartford, Connecticut.
Oh, that guy's big. Look at the size of that guy.
Team 3125 graciously accepts.
Okay. Number 3 seed, you're up.
Team 230 and Team 69 would like to invite Team 1027.
Team 1027, the Mechatronic Maniacs from West Springfield, Massachusetts.
Team 1027 graciously accepts.
All right. Down to the number 2 seed.
Team 177 and Team 175 would like to invite Team 1073.
1073.
It's the Force Team from Hollis, New Hampshire.
Team 1073 graciously accepts.
All right, so we're down to our last pick, the number 1 seed.
Team 1923 and Team 195 would like to invite Team 155.
Technonuts from Berlin, Connecticut.
Team 155 graciously accepts.
What I'd like to do, this team, turn around, all the teams in the front row. Who's right across from you is the team you're going to be playing in the quarterfinal round. So get to know them well. At the end of the break, we're going to go right into the elimination rounds. We need the Alliance captain to meet with Dancing Dave Gorick, our head referee, for each of the teams. And also, the next 4 teams on the list at $16.99, $27.91, $34.61, and $5.33. You're the standby teams. You also need to meet with Dancing Dave Gorick at this time. So they're right up there on the board, 16.99, 27.91, 34.61, and 5.33. Our quarterfinals will start promptly at 1 o'clock, which means that you should be ready to go in your pit at 1:45 and be ready to be queued out here at 1:45. So we'll see you at 1 o'clock.